Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Morgan Stanley Private Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Morgan Stanley app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Morgan Stanley mobile app on your home screen. Next step, the app wants to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the Morgan Stanley welcome screen. For your security, always ensure you are logging in from a secure and private environment. Step 3. Enter your username or online ID. Next, tap on the login file and enter your username or online ID. This is the ID you received when you registering for Morgan Stanley Private Bank Digital Access. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Now enter your password. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly and securely. Step 5. Additional security verification. For added protection, Morgan Stanley may request additional verification such as a one-time password, push notification approval, or authentication through a security device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login. And that's how you can log in into Morgan Stanley Private Bank on an iPhone. Now you can view your balance, monitor investments, manage cash, and securely communicate. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.